What's up, guys? Bearded Buckeye back with another video, and today we are looking at an unboxing. This is from Blackbeards Woodworks. He did not tell me what he was sending me. He just said that it was a surprise and that I was going to want to do an unboxing video. So this is exactly what came in the mail. This wooden, sealed with screws, right here and here, box. The mail lady handed it to me. It had a shipping label here, and that's how it came. And I have to say, this is amazing. Tyler, this is absolutely awesome. I haven't even opened it to see what's inside yet, but this here is just really cool. I love how it came. It's screwed shut, so everything's secured. I'm impressed. Just by the packaging alone, this is awesome. So, I got my handy dandy DeWalt. And we're going to unscrew the top here and check out what's inside. So I'm actually kind of excited. Never had to do this before. One screw. And two. It looks like it just slides out. He actually carved it out here. So it gives it a good grab. So this is a good box even after you're done with it too. Slide it open. Got his business card, Tyler's name on the back, aka Blackbeard. Really good guy, by the way. Okay, so first thing out of the box, we've got a comb. And it smells really good. The comb does itself. This is really cool. A comb. My wife is going to be mad at you, Tyler, for making this mess that is inside this. So next out the box, it looks like a can of balm. So, and I'm not doing a review today on these guys. This is just the can and the box and everything in the contents. I'm going to do a review later because I want to use his stuff. So first thing out, I got a little roughed up in the box there, is his beard balm, and this is the Queen Anne's Revenge scent. It's a 2-ounce tin. Okay. Wow. This smells really good. A little bit more of a firmer balm. And this is something unique that you don't see very often. And I've asked him a question on this, and I was told that I would have to walk the plank if I got the answer. So, this is the balm, and this is the color. You don't see this very often, which to me is really cool. It's unique. So I like it. And I'm not 100% sure on the scent profile. I'm going to have to look them up right now, like I said, but I'll do that at a later time when I do a review. But it smells really, really good. He's got his ingredients and everything on the back. I like it. It's just awesome. So that's the Queen Anne's Revenge Balm. Next we got an oil. And okay, and I do have to show you guys this before I talk about the oil. Inside, he's got all these wood shavings. And it's a cool added touch to go with the pirate theme of the company, which I think is awesome. And there's more in here to look at, and I'm going to show you guys because I can already see what else he's done here. But it's kind of like you would dig this out of the ground and find this kind of stuff inside. So it's really cool. Like, not everything is going to be clean when you do that. So I love it. And this is his oil. This is the Calypso scent, 1-ounce bottle, the traditional dripper. Man, this smells amazing. I cannot wait to use this stuff and review it. Man, this is probably one of the best smelling oils I've ever had. And that's no lie. This is probably single-handedly one of the best smelling oils I've ever had. So this is the Calypso scent. Give you a look around the bottle here. The box has made me all dirty, man. So, next, coming out of the box is something I'm really excited to get because it's going to help out with videos, and I can give them a shout out every time I use it. Man, I'm making a mess. This is the Woodworks part of it, to go with the beard part of it. It's a stand. Got a slot for your comb, slot for your balm, slot for the oil, and a slot here where you can put some scissors to display them. So, to give you a preview, fix that in there. This goes in there. Woo! And voila, there is the stand. Love it. This was one of the things, before I even checked out his balms and his oils, I was really interested in having, because it'll help with the presentation of the videos. And I can give him a shout out every time I use this, because this is just cool. And this stand here will be featured in all the new videos. And I got a new camera, just doing some fine tweaks to check it, to make it work better, because I'm not getting the sound that I want. So the videos are going to change, and we're going to feature a lot of things like this to do a nice visual for everybody. And last but not least, let me dig through the rubble here. What looks like a map was also inside here. This is really cool, man. I can't say enough in the presentation. All right, so ahoy, fellow pillager. Me crew and I would like to thank you for trading your gold with us here at Blackbeards Woodworks. Aye, small businesses live and die by the songs of their happy customers. Help us to stay afloat by singing your tale on our website with a review. Oh, and lest I forget, the pirate brethren hold loyalty in high regard. Join us in loyalty to the pirate code and enjoy 15% off all purchases in the future. Use the merit discount. Cool. And he signed his name, Captain Blackbeard, aka Tyler Dahl. Dude, this was awesome. This is one of the coolest things I've ever got to do on video so far. I love it. The theme, everything in the box. I mean, the box alone is cool. And he did send me a link, and I'm going to click on it now, because I've refrained from clicking on anything he sent me, because I wanted this to be a 100% genuine surprise when I opened it up, and he wanted it that way too. So this is his beard care gift set. It comes with free shipping. It's $50 on his website, which is blackbeardswoodworks.com. And right now, if you're a first-time purchaser, if you use discount code Queen Anne's Revenge, you'll get 25% off at the same time. So there will be a review coming on the balm and the oil later. I'm really excited to try them. This alone was something I just wanted to show everybody. This is really cool. If you do every box like this, you'll have a lot of return customers, because the creativity alone is awesome. I mean, you don't see people do a whole lot of this, which makes it unique, and it makes it a one-of-a-kind thing. So for everybody who's checking it out, this is the beard gift set from Blackbeards Woodworks. Definitely go to blackbeardswoodworks.com. Check out what they have to offer. They also have an Instagram. I will put a link below in the description. I will put a link to the website in the description. I will also put the discount code for first-time buyers, which is Queen Anne's Revenge, that you can use. It gives you 25% off on the website for first-time buyers. This is really cool. Tyler, thank you for sending this to me. I can't wait to review your stuff. And for everybody watching, definitely give these guys a look, because I'm telling you, this is the best smelling oil I think I've ever had. And I've had some good, and I have good ones. I have really good ones in the cabinet right now that I will 100% vouch for. But this is really close to probably being the best smelling oil I've ever had. And like I said, I will review all this, and I will do a video next week on his products. I like it. It is awesome. The presentation is amazing, and the box set is awesome. And I really recommend you guys check it out. If you want to wait for a review on products, that's cool too. But the presentation alone is well thought, and you can definitely tell he puts a lot of extra care into his products, because somebody who does this type of presentation for their products really cares about what they're putting out. So definitely just head over and give them a check, and ask Tyler if you have any questions on his Instagram. He's real quick on sending messages back. Real good guy to talk to. You better have your pirate game face on when you go talk to him. So, I'm Bearded Buckeye. This is the Blackbeards Woodworks beard gift set. You can find it on blackbeardswoodworks.com. You guys have a good night.